finally made it to Daytona. We're out here right outside of Daytona Speedway. What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We back at it again on the grind. So we finally made it to Daytona. We're out here right outside of Daytona Speedway. That's what it's called, if I'm not mistaken. So we're about to enter his clean culture. Hopefully we get into the show. We're a little late, but we made it. So we're gonna talk to the homie and see what's up. It's a little rainy though, so hopefully we can get some good footage. And we made it. Look at them. Southside is. Yeah, we got the bumper on too. We drove all the way here without it. But we fresh now. We in this thing. Yeah, boy, she looking clean. Gotta clean her up just a bit more though. Alright, so we made it into clean culture. So we're gonna technically this would be a first official car show, kind of. I mean, we were at Southern Fresh, but I don't know, we could call it the second one, I guess. So we're about to go in here and hopefully get a good spot. Hopefully show off the car, maybe the motor if it's not raining. But let's get into this, baby. Gotta go into this tunnel over here. It's a pretty long line just to get in, fam, but we is in line and ready to get up in this thing. Show off the bay. Alright, fam, so we made it up in this joint. Cleaning it up a little bit, ready for show. She's looking pretty good. Pretty spiced up. But shoot. Made it safe and sound, thank God. It's still kind of like bogging in like first gear, so like, I don't know, the fuel it wouldn't cut, but it'll push too much fuel, so I'm guessing that's just gonna be a tuning issue. We're gonna try to get that fixed soon, but she's looking pretty good though. Y'all ready for this, Brad?
It's hot.
It is hot. That's just gonna suck. But it is what it is. Like I said, nevertheless, she looks good and she made it. Thank God. Thank everybody who pretty much reached out while my fuel pump went out on Instagram and Snapchat. And also thank Atlanta Power's Performance for getting me ready. And shoot, got some more stuff to do. But other than that, she's ready to go. We're gonna go check out more cars for you guys. Alright, fam, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, the music's loud, but I've already taken a sneak peek around the whole place, and the car game here is a whole lot more serious than ATL, so there's like so many unique cars out here, and you know, got Bay over there, she's getting a lot of love, and shoot, I appreciate for all that, but we're gonna go check out some sweet rides. I guess usual, not gonna get them all, but I'm gonna get the ones I really, really like, and let's go check them all out, alright? Bye. This thing's dope. And kind of I've always wanted this type of truck. It's extremely nice. They got it fixed up and everything. That's clean. Clean interior. The Toyota X-Runner. They're extremely nice. But they won't be able to pull my car, or they might, but they're not as strong, so I'm gonna have to get on something else. Camera game, serious, man. He about to make them wheels turn the other way and spaceship away out of here. Sick though. This Genesis is pretty sick. That white body is nasty. That carbon fiber. That's really nice. Let's see the back end. Yeah, I don't know, it's about 12-inch in width maybe. Yeah, airbagged out. So under this canopy, there's like so many dope cars. They got Super here. He's got nitrous, roll cage. That's sick. The interior. Yeah, that is nice. 6-speed. Carbon fiber lid. Dang. That is far. Anyways, yeah, that thing's pretty dang sick. This is a bunch of under the canopy, there's really, really nice cars. I think it's pretty clean. Let's do it. Oh yeah, same Type R motor. A Twinsy. It's pretty clean. A sick Evo. One day I would like to get something like this, if I could ever afford it. That's nice. Cheese, bro. It's R33. I feel like I've seen it before. It's clean. I don't know if you can see it. Lights turning. Another R30. Where is it? R34? Yeah, that engine bay is flawless. Holy crap. R32, right? That's sick. Then we got this Integra with a K-swap. Dang. This straight goes, the engine bay, how I want it, a little more slick. Mine's not as slick as this. And the seats, I want those, I think I want those, well, not those. These will be clean though, these seats will be nice. Right-hand drive and everything, it's clean. Yeah, that's nice. That's super clean. This little S2K, it looks like it's wrapped up in leather. I don't know, but it sure is a nasty little build though. It's clean. That's great. So we're under the third garage bay. All the bays. There's this sick, what you call it, Subaru. That thing is like tracked out ready. Tires, everything. It's sick. With a little parachute. Gutted. That is sick. Dang. Let's check. That motor is beautiful. Look at that junk right there. Heck yeah, I know nothing about Subarus, but that sure looks fast. Another clean Subaru. A little hatch, this thing's pretty sick. Got some nice seats in there. There's a little spoon, side mirrors. I like the carbon fiber. The way it looks right there. What is it, B20D, 1320 headers. Pretty clean. I feel like I've probably seen this before. Got a little light to it. It's nice. The fitment's not bad at all. Not even cambered out. It's crazy. It's sick though. Yo, this next car is freaking sick. It's a Tesla. I've never seen a Tesla fixed up, like at all. Like in person at least. I've seen it online, but this is sick. Look at it, it's lowered, backed out. That's sick. It's sick Celica. That is sick. That is so dope. Yeah, this is flawless. Holy crap. Got a sick Lambo. LP 570. That interior is so nice. It's like a suede and a carbon fiber right there. Holy moly. That is so sick. Woo, that's beautiful. That's sick. Ferrari's pretty sick too. Yeah, that's sick. There's a sick hatch right here. A K-swap. That's nice. Big old tires, meat. Gutted out. There's an FRS. Is that wide body? The Rocket Bunny, I'm guessing? That is nasty. This thing is stupid clean. Wouldn't mind having this type of car. Look at that fitment. It's ridiculous. That is clean. Freaking Porsche. tires and the width on that thing is crazy. That thing is sick. Holy crap. That thing's so nice. Heck yeah. That's nice. And there's this one right here, which this one's really nice too. The interior on this one is clean. It's got a little rogue cage. What? That's dope as crazy. Yeah, that is sick. I'm guessing it's bagged. Heck yeah. Then there's this baby right here. That's like nice. Got the carbon fiber. That's extremely clean. Bag to the max. And there's the homie. Carlos, where you at? Looking clean, bro. The Taggy gang. That thing's clean. Oh, gutted out. Kind of like I want mine. That thing's clean. I think I'm like gut out the other one, the supersonic blue one. It's not too shabby. Lino's pretty serious over here. There's a Lamborghini. Big monies, big monies. So nice though. Clean little thing. This RSX is pretty sick. Boosted. That is nasty. That thing's crazy. It's pretty clean well. Good little color combination. Yeah, this thing is clean, little BMW. Where you at, Jesus? Hey, that is nice. That motor's hella clean. The fitment's like nice. It's got a little bit of camera in the back. Load is free. I like it. There's a Porsche over here. That's clean. Those wheels are sick. That's nice. My homie Ant with his clean Supersonic Blue Pearl Integra. I can't wait till mine's done. Terry gutted out. Exactly the plans like I wanted. Close, not fully, but very close. It's sick though. And check out this Integra, racing Integra, pretty much. It's sick. Heck yeah, it's boosted. I wonder if it's like GSR or just a B20 or LS. It's pretty clean, I like it. Little FRS gang. There's a clean little NS6 hidden back in the crevices of clean culture. It's not too shabby, not too shabby. Some wide tires for it though, but it still looks sick. Got a carbon fiber lip. That's hella nasty. It's clean. Alright fam, so we're gonna go ahead and go. So we're gonna miss out probably on all the two-step stuff and limbo, but the kids are ready to go. The broski, they're ready to go to the hotel and chill. And thank you once again, so we can catch you guys on the flip. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Catch you guys on the flip, alright?